alone, surviving banishment, exile, and prison. You know, when reflecting on her journey,
the Jewish people carry the burden of centuries of exile and persecution and fresh memories of knowing that 6 million people were killed simply because of who they are. We're not yet prepared to recognize them as some sort of government in exile, but we do think that it is a broad-based representative group. And after centuries of exile and persecution, unparalleled in the history of man, the founding of the Jewish state of Israel was a rebirth, a redemption, unlike any in history. It involves centuries of suffering and exile, prejudice and pogroms, and even genocide. Meanwhile, the Cuban exile community in the United States made enormous contributions to our country in politics and business, culture, and sports. And I know how they have suffered more than the pain of exile. They also know what it's like to be an outsider and to struggle and to work harder to make sure their children can reach higher in